Welcome beer enthusiasts to a journey through the heart of Europe, where history, culture, and beer converge to create an unparalleled experience for beer connoisseurs. In this adventure, we'll explore some of the most renowned beer destinations on the continent, uncovering where to find the best beer in Europe. Our first stop takes us to the charming streets of Munich, Germany. Renowned for its annual Oktoberfest celebration, Munich is a mecca for beer lovers. Here you'll savor the world-famous Bavarian lagers and experience the true essence of Gemütlichkeit, that cozy feeling of togetherness. Prost. Next up, we venture to Belgium, a country famous for its rich brewing traditions. Belgian beer offers a diverse range of flavors, from Trappist Alesh to sour lambics. Sample a pint at a local monastery or a rustic cafe to discover the intricate tastes and aromas that define this beer culture. Our journey continues to the Czech Republic, the birthplace of Pilsner beer. Prague, with its centuries-old beer history, boasts some of the world's best lagers. Immerse yourself in the city's pub culture and savor a crisp, golden Pilsner while enjoying the breathtaking views of the city. Now, we find ourselves in Ireland, where the love of stout runs deep. A visit to a cozy Irish pub in Dublin is a must. Sip on a creamy Guinness, listen to live music, and absorb the warmth of the Irish hospitality. Cheers. In the Nordic countries, the craft beer revolution has taken off. Places like Sweden, Denmark, and Norway have embraced the art of brewing, producing unique and innovative craft beers. Visit a Scandinavian brewery to explore the fusion of tradition and modernity. Venturing to the heart of Central Europe, we arrive in Austria. While it's known for its wine culture, Austria also offers exceptional beers. Enjoy a crisp Marzen or a spicy Weizenbock in the idyllic countryside, surrounded by vineyards and rolling hills. Our journey concludes in Spain, where the craft beer scene has been flourishing. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of a Spanish tapas bar, pairing your brews with delicious small plates. Spain's beer culture offers a delightful fusion of flavors. Europe, with its diverse beer traditions, has something to offer every beer lover. Whether you seek the rich history of Munich, the intricate flavors of Belgian beers, or the innovative craft brews of Scandinavia, Europe's beer culture is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and embark on a beer pilgrimage across the old continent. Uncover the best beer in Europe while enjoying the incredible landscapes, rich histories, and welcoming communities along the way. Prost, Sante, Na zdraví, cheers, and enjoy the adventure.